Hello everyone, welcome to Inspired Mechanical. In this video, we are going to discuss the second question of the development of surfaces series. That question is, draw the development of a cylinder having base diameter 40 mm and height is 60 mm. See how the cylinder will look like. You all know that cylinder look like that in 3D. Okay, so top and bottom both are circles and each one has diameter how much? 40 mm and height is 60 mm. He can give you the axis length also. That also means that the height of cylinder is 60 mm. Okay, so by the definition of cylinder, if we will take the scissor and cut it right through any of the edges of this cylinder, cylinder will look like as this kind of a rectangle. Okay, so how to draw this development first of all? So this edge, let us name is as 1 and this is also the name will be 1. 1 will join with 1 and so this is how the solid cylinder will look like. Okay, so in which view the true shape of the base is visible? This one is the base, na? And in which view the true shape of the base is visible? In top view. So we will start the top view first. Okay, and in the front view a rectangle would be there. So how to approach this question? This question will be approached like that. Draw an XY line. Okay, draw an reference line XY and you have to start the top view first. Draw a circle having the diameter of 40 mm. Okay, now you have to divide this circle into even number of parts. Remember it, equal parts, but that equal parts should be even numbers such as 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so this is how we will divide. So how much parts I have made? I have made 8 equal parts of this cylinder. 8 is an even number, right? So how much is this angle? This angle is 45. This angle is 90. This angle is 135. So at an interval of 45 degrees, we have divided this top view of the cylinder into even number of parts. So these are the 8 parts. So how to name it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. Okay. Now take the projection of each of these point 1 to 8 in the front view like that. Right? And draw the rectangle. I told you the cylinder will be observed as a rectangle. How much the rectangle size should be there? 60 mm should be the height and 40 mm should be the width, diameter of the cylinder, right? So this would be the height of the cylinder. Now how to name it? First of all, take the projection inside, just like that. Take the projection. Now tell me, what should be the naming? Naming should be like that, na? This one would be what? 1 dash. This one would be 8 will be visible first, then 2 is hidden behind. So I will name it 8 dash comma 2 dash. Then 7 dash comma 3 dash. Then 6 dash comma 4 dash. This is 5, na? So this one would be 5 dash. This is how we are going to name it. Let's see. 1 dash, 8 dash 2 dash, 7 dash 3 dash, 6 dash 4 dash and then 5 dash. So front view and top view are being drawn. Now move to the development of cylinder. One more thing I want to tell you. Okay, so if this is our cylinder, and we are just opening it by cutting right through any of the edges, the cylinder will look like that, na? Initially I told you in the beginning of the video. So how much is this length? Don't you think that thing would be the circumference of the cylinder, this circle, circumference of this circle. So what is the circumference of this circle? Pi d, or you can say 2 pi r. both are the same thing na. So pi multiply by the diameter of the cylinder. Diameter is how much? 40. So pi into 40, a certain length would come, so that length would be pi d. Okay, so let's draw pi d. Pi d should be equal to how much? After calculating from calculator, it would be 125.6 mm. So nearly around 126 mm length you have to take. Height is same, height is 60 mm. Height is 60 mm. Okay, but we will talk about this height later on. So how much part we have done? We have divided the circle into 8 equal parts na. 8 even number na. 8 equal parts. Okay, so this 125.6 length should be divided into 8 equal parts. So it's not very easy to divide this 125.6 into 8 equal parts. So in the beginning of the engineering drawing, we used to teach the students how to divide a line into certain number of parts, whether it is odd or even. You have to draw a line. You have to draw a line at any angle and at any length. So at any angle, any length. Remember this thing. This angle should be, it's up to you how much you are going to take, 30, 40, 60. It doesn't required. Okay. Later on, take a compass and open any of the length. Okay, whatever it is, 10, 20, 30 mm, it's up to you. Okay, open the compass and put right over here the compass of the needle and divide first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. And now erase this, that left out part. Okay, so this part should be connected with this part like that. Then set the drafter over here and draw all the parallel lines like that. Draw all the parallel lines like that. These lines should be parallel to the last line. Okay, and now from these corners draw these vertical lines. Because I am drawing freehand, so it look like that the parts are not equal, but that would be equal with the drafter. Okay, so that line would be divided into 8 number of equal parts. Let's see how. Draw a line. Let's take 8 centimeter. Okay, that would be very easy for you na. 8 centimeter line at any angle, that green line. So open the compass of how much? 1 centimeter and put the compass of the needle over here. Okay, over here. And by opening the compass 1 centimeter, simply cut right here. First, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just like that. Okay, now join in the same fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Now join. So now set the drafter over here at an angle of this much. Okay, now draw all the parallel lines like that. These lines would be parallel to each other. Okay, now they will intersect the horizontal line na? So draw the vertical lines just like that. Right, so all these parts are equal and those are 8 parts. Okay, so this is how 125.6 mm length of line is divided into 8 equal parts. Now this development is ready. Simply name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and again 1. So 1 will join with 1, then the complete cylinder will be drawn. So this is the second question. If you will like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.